Hi there, Joy. It's Marcy Hutton here recording your video for you. And what I'm going to show you are 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, it wouldn't surprise me if you're asking yourself why I do this and what's in it for me. Well, when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have in hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't, or maybe they've had a bad experience in the past. So I've found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, no, I want you to do it for me. I don't want to do it. So if by the end of the video you liked what you've heard, and if you can see that I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that might be able to help your business, then we can chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, or if you've got somebody working with you, share it with him, that's cool with me too. Either way, hearing your feedback would be great. Now the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. When I say content, what I'm referring to is what I've got highlighted here. So the words that you have on the home page and throughout your site, and the images that you have, that's what Google goes by. You know, they come in here when a site hits the web, they're going to come in and they're going to crawl the whole thing, and what they're looking for is to discover what it is that you do, what it is that you're offering, all of your services, and where are you offering them. That way they can match you up when somebody types something in the browser. They can match up the most relevant results. That's their aim, is they want to keep people on their search engine because that's how they're making money. So, you know, it's important to them. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on a home page because that just helps them to be able to match up the best results. And they'll see a site that has a couple hundred as opposed to one that has 1,500. They're going to see the site with the 1,500 words of content as being the expert, therefore showing them higher in the search. So you could absolutely add some content onto this page, and it would help to get your site in front of more people. So that I don't forget, up here I noticed that your site isn't secure. You'd want to get that secured up. They are giving preference to sites, you know, secure sites over non-secure sites. So you'd want to get that secured up. But yeah, the content, 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page. And the next thing I'll go off to is citations. Now, how this benefits you. First of all, what a citation is it is a place on the internet where when they go out and crawl, they find your exact name, address, business name, address, and phone number. So in places like directories, 411, Yellow Pages, Yelp, that type of thing, this map listing, of course, has your name, address, phone number. This is a citation. So how this helps you is a couple of ways. One is Google's out there crawling the web all the time. They're coming across your business all over the place, listed in all these directories. It absolutely shows them that you're a legitimate business. And then the second and more effective to you benefit is that the more citations that you have, if you take all of your competitors, everybody that's in the market, if you have your business cited in more directories than the rest of them, that is going to help to push you up higher in the search. Kind of falls in line with where you're positioning in the search down here. This is the organic section. That's the map listing. This is the organic section. So they kind of go hand in hand. But it's definitely going to help if you have more than all of your competitors. You want to beat them out on the content, beat them out on the number of citations, and find powerful citations. And then down here, what's going to help you to get into this position on the first page of the search here is backlinks. Now, what a backlink is, it is when a third-party site on the internet links to yours. So how to explain this in probably simplest terms is if you think of the internet as a big popularity contest. So when other sites vote for yours, aka link to yours, that will help push you up the search engine. Google sees you as the popular one, so they're going to push you up higher so more people can see you. So I've taken your site and I've put it into a tool that shows us what's going on behind the scenes, and I've also taken this site here that's in the #1 position on the first page of the search, so we can compare and take a look at what's going on. Because in saying that the backlinks power you up there, not all links, and getting links from other sites, not all links are created equal. You want to be certain that you're getting links from reputable sites that have been on the internet for some time, sites that Google trusts, and sites that are relevant to what it is that you do are going to have the most power. So I put your site in, and it shows us that you have 301 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, and that to give you a total of about 1,500 backlinks. You're being found for 111 organic keywords, and you're getting roughly 50 visitors on average to your site, clicking on your site, finding you a month. That it's not through a paid ad, just organic traffic coming across your site. So if we compare to that one that's in the #1 position, we can see he has 114 other websites, so a third of the number. And this would be one of those examples where if it comes to quality and quantity, quality is always going to win over quantity. What I was saying before about them being from reputable sites and all that kind of stuff. So here he is. He's got 600 backlinks. He's being found for about 900 organic keywords, and he's getting about 300 traffic to his site each month. So a combination of the optimized content, the information that Google can find, and then the strength and the power of the backlinks. So I'm going to leave it at that. I don't like to go too long on these, Joy, but that's the information that I'd like to share to kind of summarize more content, 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. List your business in as many as directories as you can come across, and powerful links from reputable other sites, and you will get yourself appearing on that first page of the search more often. So I'm going to email this out to you, and I will follow up to make sure that you received it and you had a chance to take a look. Talk to you soon.